Now, Brazil has reported 684 deaths and nearly 20,000 new COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, while the US has recorded 440 deaths overnight, raising the toll to over 170,000 with 5.4 million infections. Globally, the pandemic has infected over 21.8 million people and claimed more than 774,000 lives. This report has details.
Despite the hopes of a vaccine to be made and released soon, the new coronavirus continues to claim thousands of lives globally every day. The WHO says younger people, those in their 20s, 30s, and 40s, are the ones now driving the pandemic, and many don't know they have the virus. In the US, some schools are closing once more and shifting back to online instructions following infection clusters on campus. While in Argentina, thousands have taken to the streets to protest plans to extend coronavirus restrictions in the region. Mexican President Andrés Obrador has volunteered to be among the first to try a Russian vaccine for the novel coronavirus.
I would be the first that would allow to get vaccinated because it is very important to me. But we need to understand what is happening and to guarantee that it is effective and it can reach everyone.
In Europe, the second wave has caused many countries to fall back to lockdown restrictions as they fight to control the outbreak. Down under, the Australian Strait of Victoria has reported its lowest number of cases in a month, raising hopes that the second wave might be slowing down. In New Zealand, the biggest city of Auckland remains under lockdown as the country reported 13 fresh cases. Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern hit back at US President Donald Trump for saying her country is experiencing a big surge in COVID-19.
Well, obviously it's patently wrong, but again, as I say, those people who are following what's happening around the world will see New Zealand's status. We are still one of the best performing countries in the world when it comes to COVID. Our work is focused on keeping it that way.
In Asia, mainland China has reported 22 new cases, all of them imported and no domestic transmissions. South Korean authorities are eyeing tougher restrictive measures as 246 new cases were reported overnight.